I'm just so proud of my new design. I sketched this yesterday. 7. Doesn't really give journaling vibes, right? I'm not expecting anything to happen. 1 minute until my shop goes live. Good morning. It is the day of my shop update and we are like 4 hours away from the shop updates. Yesterday I did finish 7 designs, 7 die cut stickers, so I have like stock for the 7 die cut stickers. I also made my Phamily Studios mascot, which is a sticker that I give away if you purchase above a certain amount. I'm missing 1 more die cut sticker and I haven't finished the drawing at all yet, so I have a sketch. I have a sketch of the drawing that I want to make. I'm not sure if it's focusing, but I sketched this yesterday and I need to make the line art now, then I need to color it, then I need to make the outline, and then I need to make the actual sticker. Let's get to work. I finished making all my sticker designs. This is all the stock that I have right now. These are all my new ones. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So cute. And this is 8. The reason why I do this mini sticker sheet instead of like doing a whole thank you card is because it adds on to the weight of the envelope, and I don't want too much weight in the envelope because that's gonna cost you more shipping costs. So the next thing that I have to do right now is make product photos for the website. It is currently 11:40, which means that there's 2.5 hours left until my shop update goes live. I need to take pictures and I need to add the products to my website, which adding the products to my website actually takes a lot of time because I need to weigh every sticker. I need to rewrite every description. It's just a mess. But I need to make product photos first, otherwise I have nothing. And I think I can make it, so let's do this. I'm also not sure yet how I want to make the product photos this time around. Let me show you. This is currently how my product photos look like on my website. So I'm thinking of either doing the same thing just to make sure that everything has a similar theme. What I thought would also be cute is making pictures on top of my laptop, because these are also like suitable for on your laptop and that might look cute as well. I think I will do that. I will try that at least and then see how that works out. I really need a new phone because right now when I take a picture, I feel like it just doesn't show the colors as I want it to show. And I also think it's because the camera is getting old. But this is what the photo looks like right now. It's basically, I placed them on a laptop. Do you guys think it's cute or is it not cute? It doesn't really give journaling vibes, right? So let me see. Last time I used this journal, which has these square thing. I think I'm gonna use that again. Something more like this. For my previous pictures, I also used these ones that I bought a while ago, so I'm gonna use these again. It is 1:30, so 30 minutes left until I have my shop update, and I just finished the website. It's basically still the same layout. All I had to change was this picture. So this is my new collection. Also the top banner, it says my shop update is now live, 8 new die cut sticker designs. And then here we have our new arrivals, which are all the products that I uploaded. So for each product I have this type of picture, and then if you swipe over it, it will show you a more centered picture, I guess. Ooh, maybe with this one I will change it to this one. So instead of seeing the freebie, you will see my laptop. So cute. And other than that, I just had to add all the products. So if I click on shop all right now, you will see my newest first. So the bundle, the photo booth die cut sticker, all the cuties. Oh my god, so many new ones. So exciting, also so stressful. I still haven't eaten anything yet because I don't want to eat until like the shop update is live. So I have 30 minutes left right now. I feel like I need to use those 30 minutes to announce my shop update and to make some material for people to know that there's a shop update. But other than that, there's not much happening. So my website is currently closed to the public, and then it will open at 2. My stomach is literally roaring. Like, I need to eat. I'm going to make dumplings, fried dumplings for myself. I'm so excited to eat that, and that's such like a reward after my shop update is live. I do feel like I improved with my second shop update, because the first shop update was very hectic. Like my first sticker set that I released was very hectic. I did a lot of different types of stickers and I wasn't satisfied with the output. It was also very hard for me to make them, and now I kind of like have at least the formula for die cut stickers. So I just need to draw and make my art. And even now, also because I have the website ready already and I just need to upload my products and then change a few things, but I don't need to like reinvent the whole website and reinvent the whole shipping and all those things. So that really saves me a lot of time when I prepare for a shop update. So I think that after this I can do like quarterly shop updates hopefully, and maybe just try to figure out some new sticker sheets and materials and all that. But also, I finished a little bit earlier than I thought, so I was very stressed this morning when I woke up. I was like, oh my god, am I gonna run out of time? Or in my mind, I'm also like, am I missing something? Like, is something not fully ready? Because why do I have time left? But it's kind of nice to have this half hour left before it actually goes live. And I'm pretty sure that when my shop update goes live, no one will buy directly, so there will not be a sale within the first like few minutes. Last time, I think I got my first sale after half an hour, which was my own boyfriend that lives in my home. So that's kind of like, doesn't really count. And I think like the next order came an hour later or something. So I'm not expecting anything to happen the second that I throw my shop online at 2. But yeah, that's fine, because I'm also not expecting so many people to buy. Like I have my little inventory, which is just really nice. I think I can sell at least, hopefully, 10 stickers, like 10 die cut stickers, and maybe a few of the bundles, because I do know that people like to buy the bundles more. The bundles are definitely like more discounted. I calculated that if you have all 8 die cut stickers, you will pay around 23 euros 60 something if you like buy them separately. But then if you buy the bundle, you will pay 20 euros. So you have 3 euros and 60 cents discount, which I think is kind of nice, because that will cover the shipping cost again. And also you get like a freebie if you buy a bundle or if you spend more than 21 euros. So I think it's definitely worth just getting the bundle instead of buying everything separately, unless you of course don't want the whole bundle and you want a few stickers multiple times. I'm also yapping a lot in this vlog. I think this is also going to be a slightly longer vlog than I anticipated it to be, because I do want to like talk to you guys and show you guys the process that I'm going through. And I'm also, if you noticed, I didn't put any subtitles for this video, because if I'm going to put subtitles for a video that I speak a lot in, you're not going to see this vlog anytime, or this video anytime soon. So we keep the editing to a minimum, but you get what's going on basically. Yeah. Oh, on my neck. On my neck. Ugh. So literally 26 minutes left until my shop update. So I'm going to like be active on social media now for the next 25 minutes and just try to push out more content and make some content. Yeah, I'll see you guys when my shop update goes live. 1 minute until my shop goes live. It's 1:59 and I need to find where I have it on. Okay. I'm so stressed even though I know no one's gonna buy right away, but I worked all weekend so hard for this. Yesterday I had such a long work day. Oh my god, it's 2. Okay, removing the password. Save. Let me show you in real time. This is the closed website. I'm gonna refresh it now. We're live! Hi, beauty! Oh my god, this is so exciting. It looks so good too. Wow. So basically, nothing is really gonna happen right now. I will be looking at my, let me see, analytics. Is it analytics? No. Live view. I'm gonna look at my live view. There's 3 visitors right now. Someone from Japan, someone in the United States, and someone else in the United States. Do I even ship to Japan? Let me see. Where can I see markets? International 12 regions. Oh, I do ship to Japan. I don't ship to all the countries worldwide. Like I selected a few of the countries that I feel like it makes sense for me to send my stickers to and that I know it's gonna arrive and that I know that I'm not gonna have to deal with any weird customs stuff. That's how I based the regions that I'm selling in. It is now live, so I need to actually post on social media so people know that it's live. I just made a TikTok. And I'm announcing my shop update with this one. So let me copy this. Okay, I'm posting this one to my Phamily Studios TikTok. Oh, low battery. So this one is posted to my Phamily Studios TikTok, and I'm also gonna post the exact same video to my Reels. I'm honestly also already excited for people to see my new designs, and not even that they have to buy it, but I'm just so proud of my new designs. I think I definitely made progress in terms of my art compared to my first release. I feel like I'm a little bit more comfortable with drawing my characters. And also I feel like with my first one, I was very trying to be perfect in my art, which doesn't really exist because the imperfectionness of my art is what makes my art, and not that I have to like have everything look exactly the same with the same measurements. So that's why also, for example, this character is like a lot more chunky compared to other ones. There's not really a size reference for my characters anymore. I just go with the flow, whatever I feel like fits the vibe of that art. That's what's going to make the cut, basically. So I'm going to post a little bit more on my socials. If you guys haven't followed me on my socials yet, I'm active with my art account on Instagram and on TikTok. And this is my website if you want to shop my new shop update. I think the stickers are so cute and they would look super, super cute if you like to decorate like your iPad, your laptop, your phone. Even like for me, for example, I have like my own sticker in my phone case. That's super cute. I'm gonna replace it with a lot more of my own stickers because I didn't finish them yet when I was decorating this one. But yeah, I think they're super cute, so definitely worth checking them out on my website. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I didn't get any sales as expected. It's been 7 minutes so far, so I'm hoping to get at least one sale this day, today. But you never know, and I also don't know if the people that are shopping from my shop are even awake yet or if they're already sleeping. Who knows? So anyway, this was it for the vlog or for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was somewhat informative. I hope it was somewhat informative, and I will see you next Sunday as always. Bye.